Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating VS Code extension, the LLM Debugger. It's a proof of concept, mind you, but the potential is huge.
Right, I saw this on Hacker News too. So it uses LLMs for debugging, but what makes it different from other LLM-based debugging tools? I mean, there are plenty out there, right?
That's the key. Most tools only analyze static code. This one integrates live runtime data. Think variable values, function behavior, even branch decisions, all fed directly to the LLM. It's like giving the LLM a front row seat to the program's execution.
Wow, that's a pretty significant difference. So the LLM isn't just guessing based on code. It's seeing what's actually happening. That's got to improve accuracy, right?
Absolutely. The enriched context allows for much faster and more accurate diagnosis. And it doesn't stop there. It can even generate synthetic data by capturing execution details beyond what static analysis can provide. It's a game changer.
Synthetic data generation. That's interesting. How does that work exactly? Is it just logging everything?
Not exactly. It's more sophisticated than simple logging. It actively monitors events like exceptions and thread stops, gathering detailed runtime state. This data, combined with the static code analysis, gives the LLM a truly comprehensive picture.
I see. So it's not just passively observing, it's actively participating in the debugging process. What kind of debugging actions does it support?
It supports all the standard stuff. Stepping over, stepping into, stepping out, and continuing execution. But it's all guided by the LLM, making the whole process much more efficient. It even manages breakpoints automatically, based on both code analysis and LLM recommendations.
That's pretty slick, but how does the integration with VS Code work? Is it a major overhaul of the debugging interface?
Not at all. It's surprisingly seamless. It adds a sidebar panel to the Run and Debug view, where you can toggle AI debugging on or off. The panel displays live LLM suggestions and results. It's very intuitive.
So it's essentially a plugin that enhances the existing debugging workflow rather than replacing it. That's smart. But, being a proof of concept, what are its limitations?
Well, it's currently only for Node.js applications. And, as mentioned, it's not actively maintained. But the core concept is incredibly promising. The potential for extending this to other languages and debugging scenarios is massive.
Definitely. It's a really cool demonstration of how LLMs can be used to augment existing developer tools. It's a glimpse into the future of debugging, I think.
Exactly. It's a powerful example of how I can assist developers in tackling complex problems. The ability to generate synthetic data for research is also a significant contribution. This extension is a fantastic proof of concept.
Agreed. Thanks for breaking this down for us. It's a fascinating project with huge implications for the future of software development.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.